Chair.
The reason why you're digging with the undervaluation of these fire trucks is in relation with the high price of the bidded
Yes.
fire trucks.
Yes,
And
thereby,
thereby,
Mr. Chair, kasi nakita natin,
ah,
merong PPE o walang PPE, yung fire trucks, parehas ang parehas ang presyo. So bakit ganun?
okay.
Di
So,
ba?
okay.
Bakit nagpi-fix kayo ng presyo? Wala nang PPE eh.
Alright.
Paano ba yung PPE na yan?
Kasi ang alam ko, yung makina lang ang pinapasok. Tapos binubuo na dito yung body. Bureau of Custom, nakita nyo ba to? Siguro sa BOC, do you know about this, yung 23 units na fire trucks?
If I may suggest, Mr. Chairman, if we can ask the honorable committee to send us notice and specifying those.
Hindi kaya ako naging interesado kasi I heard si Congresswoman Franz Castro na undervalue daw. Kasi custom na tong pinag-uusapan natin. Undervalue, medyo na ako sandali, ano ba to? Bakit may undervalue ako nadidinig dito? Baka mamaya itong pinapasok na itong mga fire trucks na to is undervaluation. And so we have to find out how much was being paid by kasi sino bang usahin nito? Sino nagpapasok nito? Do you know, attorney?
Mr. Chairman, I think the inquiry should be properly passed to the back since they have the
Nasa Bureau of
records.
Dali. Pero, okay. Alam niyo to? Or ang winning bidder ang nag-consign?
It's the
Di ba,
winning
because
bidder, Your Honor.
the winning bidder, di ba?
Your Honor.
Or
We
sa
only
alam mo, attorney,
have a contract with the
I
bidder.
mean, kasi, are you the right authority to answer this? Or it's the owner himself can
Mr.
answer this?
Mr. Chair, what I know is that FCURA has an outstanding joint venture agreement with Hino and Isuzu,
Okay.
such that these Japanese companies provide the engine and the chassis, and FCURA manufactures the fire truck in its manufacturing plant in Tarlac.
Okay. So, ang tanong ko nga is, kasi may picture pa rito, may nakita ko, ewan ko kung, legit ba to? Itong mga fire trucks na to na nasa, ito? Is this legit kung sinasabi ni Attorney Baligod na ang nagmamanufacture ng body is FCURA at ang engine is Hino and ano? So, buo tong pinasok or what? Ano ba? Can you educate me on this? Kasi ang alam ko, yung makina lang ang pinapasok. Tapos, binubuo na dito yung body. Di ba tama? Bureau of Custom, nakita nyo ba to? Kasi, well, you are in the legal, ano?
Yeah, Mr.
Baka mamaya hindi ikaw yung right person dahil sa legal kayo, legal service.
Yeah.
I think that the right person that can answer this question of this representation is siguro yung nag-appraise nito o yung tumatanggap nung imported na mga engine. Kung totoo yung sinasabi ni Attorney Baligod that the engine are being imported from Hino and Isuzu dahil meron silang kontrata with the KURA. So, ang in-import dito ng KURA ay the engine lamang. Tama? Tama? Tapos, binubuo ngayon ng FCURA yung engine na yun. Is that correct? Or mali?
Yes, Mr. Chair, I just want to caution respectfully the committee, Your Honor, because local government units can also purchase fire trucks themselves. So we do not know if those fire trucks appearing in that picture were procured by local government units, not directly by BFP.
Correct. That's why we need to explore more deeply on those personalities from the costume to verified this assumption that Congresswoman Fran Castro is exploring right now. Kasi ako medyo nagulat din ako dito. And so we have to find out kung merong undervalue na nangyayari. Kasi parang nakita ko rito 23 units. Tapos ang binayaran is $793,000. Is this correct? So lumalabas parang isang unit nagbayad siya ng 793,000 is almost less than a magkano? Oh, more or less mga 50 million. Yeah.
Sorry, reflection lang. If nabid siya ng 11, 12, those following December, nandito na yon, right? Na-procure na yon, tama? Kung na-procure yon, dapat masasagot tayo ng VOC at dapat alam din nila kung saan yon nakalagay, Mr. Chair. So we can also clarify kung ito ba ay yung sinasabi ng EPFURA na sa LGU or nasaan.